Last week, the brand released official images to showcase its rear design, and we recently saw a hands-on video showing the iQOO 15's color-changing model. The iQOO 15's design is similar to last year's iQOO 13. It has a metal build with the volume rocker and power key placed on the right side frame. The new poster shown below showcases the phone's front, which shows that it has ultra-thin bezels around the screen. The iQOO 15 is iQOO 15 to feature Samsung's 2K Lead OLED display, same as Galaxy S26 Ultra. It will be the world's first handset to carry this new generation display technology. The Lead OLED incorporates the company's latest luminous materials, designed to improve screen clarity and energy efficiency. Compared with previous panels, peak brightness has been raised by 740%, an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and an IP68/69 rated chassis, while the back cover sports a squircle-shaped camera island housing 3 cameras and an LED flash. This will have 50MP resolution and will use a 1/1.5 type sensor. The device will also have a 50MP periscope telephoto camera. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, likely to be paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. iQOO 15 will be the first to run Origin OS 6 out of the box. The iQOO 15 is expected to be backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, offering lasting performance and could offer 100W fast charging support. Be unveiled in China next month, with an international debut anticipated before the end of the year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.